So I'm repairing an Audi A4 2006, and the brake lights were not, they were consistently on. I changed the brake switch, it was consistently on. And one of the mechanics said I would have to change the module, which in all actuality we did not have to do. What we had to do was, so if you test the brake switch, make sure that the light turns on and off. If it doesn't, then you move on to the next thing, which is gonna save you a ton of money. It's just this simple fuse here, behind this box right here. Right here, this is where the box goes. Driver's side, got this right here. And there's a top fuse up here, right there. That back end one at the bottom, on this side, the 15, swapped it out, and voila, everything is working as it should now. So, brake lights work now. Just a quick hack for you all that have an Audi. This goes from like 2005 to, I believe, 2009, Audi A4.